Does a home for under $300,000 even exist? It sure does. With 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, a fully finished lower level, and an office space with a lot of the major updates done, just waiting for your own personal touch. And that location, schools, a community club, and the aquatic park. Now as a mom, that's a total win. Let's go check it out. Downsize or investment? Come take a look. Have any questions or want to view this home? Feel free to give me a call. I'm Allison and I want to be your realtor.